Hello friends, in this video we will look at the conversion between NFA and DFA. As we have seen in the last video that both NFA and DFA, both of them are 5 tuple. The only difference is in the Q, delta and the set of final states. So Q becomes the power set of Q, delta becomes the mapping from the set of states and input alphabet to the power set of Q, and the final states, it will become a composite set containing multiple states provided that the final states of the NFA are included in that of the DFA. So let us take one example to understand these things better. So what I am going to do is the same example which we have seen in the last video, we will construct the NFA for it. DFA for it. So here is the diagram and this is the transition table. So simply what we are going to do is we are going to make a table, and again like the NFA it is going to contain 3 columns because there are 2 inputs and one column for state. So we have 0 and 1 here, and our starting state, initial state is Q0, so that is going to remain the same. Only thing is we are going to put it in the square brackets. Now Q0 for an input of 0 remains in Q0. So what we will do is we will write Q0 here, and then for an input of 1 it goes to Q1, Q2. This we can read from the transition table also. So now we will put that Q1, Q2 into a power set. So this is a power set of Q which contains 2 states. Now this all together now represents a single state in the DFA, and I will draw the transition diagram to make this more clear. Now the next state that we are going to write is not Q1 from here but this state. This is the next state to evaluate. So we have the composite state Q1, Q2 as our next state. Now what we will do is we will combine the output states of Q1 and Q2 for 0 and 1. So Q1 for input of 0 goes to Q1, and Q2 for an input of 0 goes to Q1, Q2. So Q1 is already here, so we will just add Q2 to this. So it is going to generate Q1, Q2. Then Q1 for an input of 1 generates Q0, Q1. So that is what we are going to write here. We have Q0 and Q1 for the state Q1, and Q2 on an input of 1. As we can see here, Q2 on an input of 1 goes to Q2. So we will write that here. We will write Q2 over here. Now what are the new states which are getting generated? Q1, Q2 is repeated here. This is a new state, so we will now make entries for this new state. So we have Q0, Q1 and Q2. So now for an input of 0, we will evaluate for each of these states separately and combine them into one composite state. So we have here Q0 on an input of 0 remains on Q0. Then Q1 on an input of 0 remains in Q1. And Q2 on an input of 0 goes to Q1, Q2. Q1 is already there, so we just add Q2 here. And similarly, for the input 1, Q0 on an input of 1 goes to Q1, Q2. Then Q1 on an input of 1 goes to Q0, Q1. So we will simply write Q0 here. Q1 is already present here. And Q2 goes to Q2. So Q2 is already included. So this is the table that we are going to. Now no new state is getting generated here. So we will stop the process here itself. And how we are going to draw the diagram for this? We will make the state Q0 and this is the initial state. Then we have the state Q1, Q2, and then we have the state Q0, Q1, Q2. So these are the only three states which are present in the transition table of the DFA. Now, as we can see here, Q2 is the final state. It is included in Q1, Q2 and Q0, Q1, Q2. So both of these states we will make as the final state. Wherever Q2 is included, all those states will become final states. Now the transitions. So Q0, on an input of 0, there is a self loop. On an input of 0, on an input of 1, it goes to Q1, Q2. Then Q1, Q2, on an input of 0, it remains in itself. And on an input of 1, it moves to Q0, Q1, Q2. And Q0, Q1, Q2, there is a self loop for both 0 and 1. So this is the DFA which is corresponding to this NFA diagram. And as we can see here, now our set of states is a power set of Q. Our initial state is a set. Our final states contains more than one states which are composite in themselves. And therefore, we have converted the NFA into the DFA. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you very much.